You can play the game, you can act out the part, though you know it wasn't written for you. Tell me, how can you stand there with your broken heart, ashamed of playing the fool? Now one thing can lead to another, and it doesn't take any sacrifice. Father and mother, sister and my brother, if it feels nice, oh, don't think twice. Just shower the people you love with love. Show them the way that you feel. Things are gonna be just fine if you only will hear what I say. Shower the people you love with love, and show them the way that you feel. Things are gonna be much better if you only will. You can run, but you cannot hide. This is why they know. Just tell me what you plan to do with your foolish pride when you're all by yourself alone. But once you tell somebody the way that you feel, you can feel it beginning to ease. I guess it's true what they say about that squeaky wheel always getting the breeze. Better to shower the people you love with love. Show them the way that you feel. Things are gonna be just fine if you only will. What I'd like for you to do, shower the people you love with love, and show them the way that you feel. I promise things are gonna be much better if you only will. How many of y'all know that song we're playing right there? Shout out to the people. If you do, I need you to help us sing, alright? Everybody get your lights out like our friend over here. Let's all sing this one line together like this. Come on. Shower the people in love with love. Show them the way that you feel. Yeah. Shower the people in love with love. Show them the way that you feel. Shower the people you love with love. Show them the way that you feel. One more time. Make it right. Shower the people you love with love. Show them the way that you feel. Oh, and I know things are gonna be just fine if you only will hear what I say. Shower the people you love with love. Show them the way that you feel. I know things are gonna be much better if you only will. Y'all remember who sang it? I love Missouri.